spring season was coming to an end, but it had to throw a bit of havoc before going away.
Storm just brought down this tree, part of it, half of it. Luckily nobody was underneath it, man. Whew. Great. Tu peux ressortir. After that tree fell.
On est en bas.
Quand l'arbre est tombé, il a dit on y guêpe qui est
Non,
sorti.
c'est les abeilles, c'est pareil.
Et elle a attaqué tout le monde.
Ouais.
No. The tree that fell was rotten to the core and home to a beehive. Havoc was above. These tough dudes, afraid of little bugs. This is Cham. You may remember him as the man who got my computer screen fixed. Well, he also rewired this project and is out for a test.
Pour démonter la pièce, pour démonter l'hélice, pour enlever l'hélice complètement.
Voilà.
I brought him an inline blower fan from our engine room to look at. After taking the thing apart, he found the problem.
Le moteur, c'est quoi le problème?
C'est les balais qui sont usés.
Le charbon.
Ouais, les charbons, les voilà, ils sont tous usés.
Donc c'est cette pièce-là.
Cette pièce-là qui est gâtée, donc on va essayer de changer ça. Donc ça
Ok.
sera la même dimension. Là.
Tu peux le faire?
Ouais, si, bien sûr, je peux bien le faire.
And fixed it.
T'as réussi, Cham? Cham, il a encore réussi encore une fois, he did it again. Maintenant, on va voir ce qu'il peut faire avec les autres trucs.
Back on Galopin, I got creative.
This light, it's been in the salon because it's been too bright. And I just had an idea. Let's see what happens. To create the face now, I'm having a hard time getting the silicone off. Oh, it's not bad. Yeah, I'm liking it. I had an issue with the non-slip tape that I bought back in Cape Verde. I bought two kinds. One was more expensive than the other, and one was better than the other, but yet one was better than the other. But then, I mean, one stuck good to the floor, the other didn't stick good. It would come undone. This one that stuck good to the floor, well, its sandy, non-slip surface would come off, and I'd find it in my bed like little grains of black sand. So I've decided to redo it with real sand and marine varnish. I've tested it on one step, seems like it's working, and I'm gonna do part of the floor here and some more of the companionway now. Looks like my non-slip surface idea with the sand and marine varnish is working much better than the tape. Yeah, stuff's almost invisible. Oh, it's great. Oh, much better. Oh, I'm pleased. I should have not. So cool. Stuff is way cooler, man. This works, man. It's gonna stay here. Love it. Can't wait to do the other side. Huh.
Nothing like a successful project achieved on one's boat. It takes time to get motivated, especially if things don't go as planned, which is often the case. But when things do work out, whoa, what a great dopamine high.
Alors, Arona.
Alors, on prépare pour me peindre le Simone.
Simone!
On va lui faire un beauté pour le voyage.
Another great moment in boat projects, watching your master mechanic care over his heavy metal baby. He first put on a coat of primer to seal it good against corrosion. Then, the true blue of Our Lady Simone. Why blue, you may ask? Well, it's the brand's official color, Perkins Blue. Arona offered any choice of color, but I couldn't stray from tradition, like British Racing Green or Ferrari Red. Arona is not missing a nook or cranny. Proud artist looking over his creation. Simone is now a diesel in a blue dress. The final coat is lacquer varnish for final protection and a shiny gleam.
Alors, qu'est-ce que t'en penses, Arona?
Voilà, c'est mon tout propre, tout beau. Donc, prochaine étape sur le bateau.
Arona will stay with Simone a bit to make sure no leaves try to stick around. No worries, it's fast drying.
That little spider there is my friend. I like him, little jumping spider's been around. Look, coming to say hello? A friendly little guy. It seems like every time I come out here, he comes out. This little spider, I guess it's a girl. I'm gonna make it a girl. She hangs out in the cockpit here, kind of waits around hiding, and then all of a sudden when I come out here, she comes out to say hello. She comes out of hiding. It's the funniest little thing. It's not afraid. Definitely staying on board, because they can chow down on some mosquitoes and stuff.
Next to the yacht club is this beach boat yard. There are 3 carts here that will pull boats up for maintenance. It's sometimes a slow process. Got it going again, and the boat gravitated towards the sea, its natural home. This modified catamaran had been here for a year for a complete makeover into an excursion vessel. And today was its time to launch. It made me crave launching Galopin back to sea. Well, soon. While Simone was hanging around, Arona got to the electrics. As well, Diego the sailmaker was finishing up on my roof dodger. Some of the seams around the mylar windows were loose, so he resewed everything. Diego's a busy man. I'm not his only client. As you can see, this is a much bigger sail than for my boat. And just wait until you see the cushions he refitted for Galopin's cockpit. Absolutely beautiful. Then I asked Robert to check my dinghy. He had a pinhole somewhere. Where? Well, no worries, Robert found it, and yes, fixed it. The wiring got pretty destroyed by the salt water. He had rewired everything to the engine and now was dealing with the dashboard. A few things were cooked there too, like the ignition and the oil lamp.
Dès que tu mets le moteur et qu'il y a la pression, ça le coupe.
Ok, super.
Donc ça, quand ça fait le bip, ça veut dire qu'il y a un problème de pression d'huile.
Ok. Super, bravo les gars, merci.
C'est ça, donc,
Ok.
And next,
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.